Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I am here after a short break from YouTube. I read a caption from in the last week that heal the past, live the present, dream the future. So it's better to enjoy the present rather than thinking about future. So here in this video I am going to tell about my whole journey from Bangalore to Bhubaneswar alone for the first time. So let's start with it. Hello beautiful people! Welcome back to Think Life Out of the Box once again. I'm here with you guys, Ayushi. So I think after being a long time, not a long time, but already most 1.5 week, and this is going to be the first video I am going to upload on the month of April. So this video is nothing but just want to share because as I feel like now YouTube is going to become my family. Going to not, it's already. But we have to make a big family. So I need to share everything. And so I took a time and I just did a little bit shoot of this video. And I even uploaded in my Instagram account the reason I have not said this. I said that for due to some personal reason I will be not able to upload it. But finally I decided to make this video. So yeah, so for the reason, for the important announcement, you have to watch this video till the end. And here, you already know that I'm not in Bangalore now. So you got to know that I have come to my hometown. So I'll tell you everything reason. So but you have to stay tuned for that. You have to watch this video till the end. Let's go. So yeah guys, so our last video I think was my calm evening routine. I shared with you guys my whole evening routine there, and so I'll tell you now why I came to Bhubaneswar now and when I will go, what will happen. So you have to stay like till the end. You have to listen everything till the end if you want. So I just want to share. So I'm sharing like this, but if you want, you can like just tell me, okay? Yeah, so our last video was my calm evening routine. I think I had uploaded in the last weeks of March. I really don't remember, but yeah, probably on the last weeks of this March only. So here are already over exams like Allen test over and our final exams also over for BIA. So everything was over, and for 12th we were preparing because our college already started with 12th and they're online only going since COVID-19 is increasing in cases in our India. Cases is increasing in our India like Maharashtra and Karnataka. Like my parents feel like a little secure about it. So on the Sunday morning, so I was doing a shooting for YouTube, and I got a call at noon like 12 from my dad, and he said that I already did a ticket of flight and you just come. And I had a flight at 6:35, and I was like, what? You did took permission from me? Because before that I already said my parents to go with offline only, because I feel like since I'm in right now in 12th, so I need to go with offline because the whole 1 year of 11th was horrible. It's not only with me, it's with everyone, so it's not a very big thing. So horrible. So I was like, I said my parents so like to go with only offline only. But I think as for today dates, if you see also the cases are increasing so rapidly in our India, so we have to take a very safe and secure precautions, but still we are taking and it's increasing. We can't help it out, so it's need a little cooperation. I'll leave it. So I am telling my story. Wait. So like Sunday, yeah. So at the noon I got a call from my parents, like dad, and he said that just come back to home and you will go again back soon to Bangalore. We'll see the condition there because that time it was increasing so, and even now it's increasing per day. It's increasing, so really it's not very safe. We should stay like 2 months here. So it was like that. Like my father did a ticket of flight, and at 6:35 I had a flight, and there so what happened, so I just did an intro part, and I just got a call, and I just heard about this. Now think how I will make a whole video, and I'll upload in the YouTube. So it was not possible for me. So I did a packing. Even I thought about to do like going to hometown, but it was not at all possible because my roommate also was not there. Even on that day, on that morning only, she went to to her hometown, and I was alone in the room. So like I just took my luggage, and I was keeping everything, and everything like all the things were there outside in my like. So I had to keep everything in the cupboard, and I had to like before coming to my home I had to take precautions like right, and but it's not safe only to keep all the things outside on go. So in 2 hours that day, oh my god, like I was not able to take a breath also. I didn't have time to take that so much like sitting around say. And I did Ola myself from there, and I just went to my airport, and there like the flight was there at 6:35, and I left my PG at 2 because from my place to airport, actually the airport in Bangalore is little outside from the city only, so it's not inside the city. So it takes nearly 1 hour, 1.5 hours. So before like I left like PG nearly at 3, and I reached there by 4. So it took just 1 hour from my place, and I just reached at 4, and there like oh my god, I don't know, like it was the best experience I will tell, because you should actually, I feel like honestly speaking that I think yeah, now I'm becoming independent. Now I'm realizing that, and first time I just came alone. I didn't know it, like I was going with like my parents wherever I used to go with my parents only, but this time I came alone from Bangalore to Bhubaneswar, and I was really happy, and now I'm feeling really happy, like I got confidence that I can go anywhere. I used to go, but not that so like Bangalore to Bhubaneswar. So it was like that, and so I just came back here, and then there here like since I came from Karnataka state, so I kept in home isolation for 7 weeks, and nothing was there, was just chilling out only in my room. I could have done video, but I'm a lazy person, you know, but I don't have anything to content, so I mean I could have done but what to do, but I did this one right now, so I can't help it out. So this video will go now first, then only the second video will come. So on that day I came and reached at 9 on Sunday evening, and yeah, that was all. And I'm going back to Bangalore again, so don't think that I came right now. So I will go like Bangalore by 1 and 2 weeks. I'll see the situation, but I want to go because I'm missing my place. I got to be habituated, and of course it's not about that, but offline classes started, so I want to join the offline classes because I can't do the way I have done in my 11 classes. So it was so horrible, guys. I'm like to tell you the experience. It is not with me, with everyone. Everyone will agree with this. But 11 was so horrible with that online classes, and exams even went online classes. So honestly speaking, so I don't want this thing to happen in 12th. We have to be honest, and we have to be very serious. We can't help it out. So I will go very soon as possible as. But let's see that as cases is increasing, so we can't help it out also. So that was the situation. So very important situation. And then 1 week it took. I was really busy also since I came after a long time. I was like really busy. So it was all about nothing. I just maybe upset, right? But what to do? But on the Sunday, no, on that last weekend of Sunday, it was so tired. It was so like I got afraid. Like what you did a thing, ticket without asking me, and like it was like fighting going between father and daughter. But what to do? I had to come back because the situation is right now is going so horrible. Like the last year it was going, but what to do? There is no way only. So it's all about that. So here I came to home means I will do a lot of videos and I will do more interesting videos coming with new ideas. Now I am doing, I will do, and you have to stay tuned for it, and the next video will come very soon. So you have to stay tuned for that also. I think the next video will come on Tuesday or Wednesday. So you have to stay tuned for it, because I've done the half video only. I have to collab now with that, so there is no chance only. I'm very fit up. So it is all part. And all stay safe, guys, because now it's increasing, so I can't tell anything. Now just on today only my isolation over, and now so guys, between the video I forgot to tell you that I was so in hurry that I forgot to bring tripod only. Now see, जुगाड़ू काम बोलते इसको, जुगाड़ू. And I literally, this video, like I did, like I kept like this, and I said, even did a thumbnail also with this, because on that day I just bought my dresses and all my 12 books. That's all. I just forgot. It was like out of my mind to bring tripod only. So no problem, कोई बात नहीं. Indian लोग हैं भाई, जुगाड़ू कर देंगे कैसे भी करके. It's good idea, right? It's common only, but see, and see guys, this is sanitizer. Like how I did a shooting of this video. So जितने भी videos अभी आएंगे आगे, जब तक भुवनेश्वर पे रहूँगी, जब तक वैसे ही आएंगे. कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ आपको ही करना होगा अगर कुछ थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हुआ. So you have to do it like that. So see you in the next video, guys. Till then, stay tuned with me and stay safe, stay at home, and namaste. Bye. Go with mask, hand gloves, and sanitizer. I forgot what to tell. Bye. Have a great day. Have a good day. Keep smiling.